All right, happy Thursday. Hope you're doing great. Let's take a look here. Today, the Aztecs. We've looked at their capital city of Tenochtitlan, how they built it from a swampy island into a massive city of 400,000 people. We had the floating gardens, those chinampas providing food. Those things were the size of a football field, built in a short period of time, a huge number of them to feed all these people. Building those aqueducts to bring in fresh water. But how did the Aztecs go from being a city, a giant city, 400,000 people, to an empire? And it was sort of a city-state, just like we learned about when we learned in the Renaissance in Italy. One city that controls the land around it. The Aztec Empire was similar to that. And they've got three elements that we're going to learn about that they used for expanding from just being a city and kind of battling with their neighbors to being the dominant power in the Americas. So they had war, tribute, and trade. And today you're going to read about those things. Aztec warfare, Aztec tribute. Tribute is when one group conquers another and they continually make them pay money. Kind of like the Aztecs were the bully. They conquered their neighbors and then they made them pay their lunch money every year, a certain amount of stuff. Similar idea. So they did not make the Aztecs necessarily part of their empire, their conquered people, but they took things from them to not come back and attack them again. So this dominating of the area and controlling it and making tribute and so on didn't necessarily make their neighbors like them. And we'll see later on when the Aztecs get conquered by the Spaniards, it's not just the Spanish. It's hundreds and hundreds of thousands of their neighbors joining in with the Spanish to fight the Aztecs because of what the Aztecs had done to them. So war, tribute, and trade worked out for the Aztecs to build a huge empire in the Americas, but partly had to do with their downfall too. So today we're going to read about those things. Tomorrow you'll answer your questions. You can see I've put the little notes in here where you're going to find your questions tomorrow. But today you just need to read about this section, okay? The Aztec Empire. And don't forget to check out that extra credit page if you finish this early. There's a lot of interesting videos and articles about the Aztecs. Okay? Have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.